Transform the look and capabilities of your Jeep with Rough Country's full-width trail bumper. This full-width version of our fan favorite Stubby Trail Bumper includes a few extra features you're sure to enjoy. Rough Country's Jeep LED Trail Bumper has been engineered with a full-width design that fits in nicely with the factory flare or aftermarket modifications. With Jeep adding the turn signals to the factory flares on JL and JT models, a full-width bumper can help lend an aggressive off-road look to your Jeep even when retaining the factory flare. Each kit includes a modular integrated fog light mount that allows you to run the included Rough Country 2-inch flush mount LED cubes, or you can retain your factory fog light or factory LED light, giving you the freedom to choose the exact setup you prefer. This front bumper also features a built-in Rough Country 20-inch LED light bar to help you easily see the trail ahead. If you're looking for one of the best Jeep bumpers available, look no further.